Good morning, dear children. Today we start here new exercise 5C of class 6 maths. And in this exercise, first question is express your answer in the simplest form. Means this is your first question, 1/3. First we add in this question 2/7 plus 4/7. Then we convert into the simplest form, or we can say we change into the lowest term. Okay, now first we add here denominators are same, then 1 plus 1/3. Why we write here 1 plus 1/3? Because here all these denominators are same. Here two denominators and both denominators are same. Then when we take the LCM of these denominators, then LCM is 3 because denominators are same. Here the LCM of both denominators equal 7. Here the LCM of both denominators equal 4 because all these denominators are equal. Then if denominators are equal and then your LCM is same number, then here 1 plus 1 numerator is comes here 1 here numerator is 2 plus 4, so here we write 2 plus 4/7. Why we write here 2 plus 4? Because when we take this is your LCM and LCM divided by denominator your quotient is same 1. 7 1 ja 7 1 and 1 then multiply quotient multiply by the numerator equal 1 2 ja 2 1 4 ja 4. So the children same number is coming here. So 2 plus 1 2 1 plus 2 1 plus 1 equal 2/3 and 2/3 is already in the lowest term. So this is your answer. Now here children 4 plus 2 equal 6/7. This is already in the lowest term. Okay. Now 8 plus 2/15 equal 8 plus 2 equal 10/15. Now 10/15 change into the lowest term. Divide 5 divided by 5. Both numerator and denominator is divisible by same number. So 10 and 15 is divisible by 5 and 5. So 5 2 is 10 and 5 3 is 15. 2/3. This is your answer. And this is already in the lowest term. Why? Because this is a prime number. 7 is a prime number and 7 is divisible by only 1 and itself. So dear children, now the next question, 5 plus 17/22. 22 is your LCM because denominators are equal. So now 17 plus 5 equal 22/22 and 21 equal 1/1 equal 1. This is your answer. Okay. Now question number 5, 1/4 plus 0/4. This is yes equal 1/1 plus 0 yes equal 1/4. This is your answer. Okay. Now the second question, same question. In the first question we add here. In the second question we subtract 3/5 minus 2/5 equal 3 minus 2/5. We take the LCM of denominators. Your LCM is 5. Then 3 minus 2 equal 1/5. This is your answer. This is the first. Okay. Now question number second. 7/9 minus 4/9. Now, then we write here 7 minus 4 upon 9 equal 7 minus 4 equal 7 minus 4 equal 3 upon 9. Now, change into the lowest term. So, this is divisible by 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 3 is 9. Equal 1 upon 3. This is your answer. Okay. Now, question number, next question. Now, the next question, 8 upon 5, question number 3rd, 8 upon 17 minus 5 upon 17. Okay. Now, 8 minus 5 upon 17 equal 8 minus 5 equal 3 upon 17. And 17 is a prime number, so this is already in the lowest term. Okay. Now, question number 4. 26 upon 35 minus 12 upon 35. 12 upon 35 equal 26 minus 12 upon 35 equal 6 minus 2 equal 4 and 2 minus 1 equal 1 upon 35. Here 7 2 is 14, 7 5 is 35. 2 upon 5. We change into the lowest term, means 14 and 35 is divisible by 7. Both number numerator and denominators is divisible by 7. So we divide here 14 divided by 7 and 35 divided by 7. So answer is 2 upon 5. This is your answer. Okay. Now the question number 3rd. Now question number 3rd is 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. Okay. Now here in this question, dear children, here denominators are not equal, so we take the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of denominator is 12. Why? Because this is a prime number. When these denominators are divisible by different number, because this is here, look at here, 3 is divisible by 3 and 4 is divisible by 2 or 4. Okay. Now then when we find the LCM, means both number are divisible by different number, then we find the product of this denominator. So 3 into 4 equal 3 4 is 12, and your LCM is 12. And when LCM divided by the denominator, so 3 4 is 12, quotient is 4, and 4 multiplied by 1 equal 4, plus 4 3 is 12, and 3 1 is 3 equals 7 upon 12. This is your answer. Okay. Now the question number 2nd. Second is 3 upon 8 and plus 7 upon 12. Now take the LCM, 8 and 12. 2 4 is 8, 2 6 is 12, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. Okay. Now 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. So the LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. Now LCM divided by the denominators, 8 3 is 24, quotient is 3, then quotient multiplied by the numerator, 3 3 is 9. 12 2 is 24, quotient is 2, and 2 multiplied by 7 equal 2 7 is 14. Okay. Now 14 plus 9, 23 upon 24. This is already in the lowest term. Okay. Now the question number 3rd. Third question is 5 upon 12 plus 7 upon 16. Now, dear children, first we take the LCM of what? Numerator or denominator? We take the LCM to the 12 and 16 is denominator. So 12 and 16. Okay? To 6 is 12, to 8 is 16, to 3 is 6, to 4 is 8, and 3 to 2 is. Okay? Now, to 2 is 4, 4 to 2 is 8, 8 to 2 is 16, 16 3 is 48. Now, LCM is 48, dear children. 12 4 is 48, 4 and 4 5 is 20. 16 3 is and 3 7 is 21. 20 plus 21 equal 41 upon 48. 41 is already, this is a prime number. So it is not divisible by any number. So 41 upon 48 is already in the lowest term. Okay, now the question number 5, dear children. 1 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4 plus 5 upon 6. First we take the LCM of these numbers. So denominators 3, 4 and 6. Dear children, 3 is not divisible yet by 2. So we write here 3, to 2 is 4, to 3 is 6. 3 1 is 2, 1 is. Now 3 2 is 6, 6 2 is 12. Your LCM is 12. You can also write here, dear children, the LCM of 3, 4 and 6 is 12. The LCM of 12 and 16 equal 48. LCM of 3 and 4 equal 12. LCM of 8 and 12 equal 24. Okay? Now, 12 divided by 3. What it is 4? 4 multiplied by 1 equal 4 1 is 4. 12 divided by 4 equal, answer is 3. 4 3 is 12 because we did the table 3 times. 4 3 is 12. Then we multiply by 3 is 9. 6 2 is 12. 2 5 is 10. Okay? 6 2 is 12 and 5 2 is 6 2 is 12 and 5 2 is 10. Equal 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 4 equal 13 upon 12. Okay? Now the question number 6. Question number 6 is, yes, 1 upon 8. 1 upon 8 plus 5 upon 12 plus 5 upon 12 plus 5 upon 6. Now first we take the LCM of these numbers. So LCM 8, 12 and 6 equal 2 4 is 8, 2 6 is 12 and 2 3 is 6. 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6 and 3 and 3 1 is 1 and 2. Now 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. Now LCM is 24. Now divided 24 divided by 8 equal 3. 8 3 is 24 and 3 1 is 3. 12 2 is 24, 2 5 is 10. 6 4 is 24. Then 4 and 4 5 is 20. Now 20 plus 10, 30 plus 3 equal 33 upon 24. It is divisible by same number 3. 3 1 is 3 and 3 8 is 24. Your quantity is, your answer is 11 upon 8. Okay, dear children. Now question number 5. Sorry, this question is completed. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 6. Okay. Now first we take the LCM. So 3 and 6, 3 to 3 ja and 3 1 ja. Okay, 3 2 ja 6. Now 3 2 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2, minus 6 1 ja 6 and 1 1 ja 1 equal 1 upon 6. This is your answer. Now the next question number 3, 7 upon 10 minus 2 upon 15. 2 upon 15. Now dear children, first we take the LCM of 10 and 15. Now the LCM of 10 and 15 equal 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15. Now 5 2 is 10, 10 3 is 30. This is your LCM. And one more, dear children, LCM is always divisible by the denominator, because we take the LCM denominators. हमने denominators का LCM लिया है, इसलिए LCM हमेशा divisible होता है. If your LCM is not divisible by the number, if LCM is not divisible by the number, that means your LCM is wrong. Okay. Now 10 3 is 30 and 3 7 is 21. 30 divided by 10 equal what is 3, and 3 multiplied by 7 equal 3 7 is 21. Now 15 2 is 30, what is 2, and 2 2 is 4. 2 2 is 4. Now 21 minus 4 equal 11 minus 4 equal 7, and this is 1 upon 30, and 17 is a prime number, so it is already in the lowest term. Now the question number 4, 5 upon 9 minus 3 upon 7. Now dear children, can you tell me what is the LCM of 5 and 9 and 7? The LCM of 9 and 7 is 63. Why? Because 7 is a prime number and 9 is a composite number. So this number is divisible by only 7, and this number is not divisible by 7. So when numbers are divisible by different numbers, then we do the multiply. Then we find the product of these numbers, and the product of these numbers is the LCM of the number. Okay, so 7 9 is 63. Now 9 7 is 63, 7 and 7 5 is 35, minus 7 9 is 63 and 9 3 is 27. Now minus 5 minus 7 equal 15 minus 7 equal 8, and 2 minus 2 equal 0 upon 63. Okay. Now and 8 upon 63 is not divisible by same number, so this is already in the lowest term. Okay. Now dear children, next question number 6. 2 minus 3 upon 8 equal. So dear children, we write here in the denominator 2 upon 1. Because now take the LCM 1 and 8 equal LCM is 8, and 1 8 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 1 is 8 and 3. Now 6 minus 3 equal 3 upon 8, and this is your already in the lowest term. You can change also in mixed fraction. So how we change? 13 8 8 4 8 1 is 8, 5 equal 1 over 5 upon 8. Okay. Now dear children, today I told you here exercise 5C and 4 questions. Okay. Now thank you. Have a nice day.